On this episode, we continue our Ivy Creek Greenway series at the Suwanee Creek portion of the trail with Mike and Brittany Miller, right here on Georgia Eat, Explore, and More. Alright guys, we are at the Suwanee Greenway, which is also part of Ivy Creek Greenway. We're on the George Pierce Park side, so we're going to explore this area and possibly get some cool night shots. So
yeah, and we have the Millers with us again.
Hello.
So they're very familiar with this area, so we're going to see what this end of Ivy Creek has to offer. Beware of snakes.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that was Ivy Creek Greenway, the Suwanee end of this Greenway. This is going to be another one that's going on the playlist. Took a lot of beautiful shots. This place is beautiful. We highly recommend coming out here. It's free. You can't beat that. So yeah, we want to thank you guys for coming out here again.
Our pleasure. Anytime, guys.
And tell them about your website.
MikeTheMathman.photography.com or just MikeTheMathman.com if you want a shorter address to go to, if you don't want to use your fingers all that much.
Congratulations to your website.
Thank you.
You guys are awesome. We'll see you guys back at home. Alright guys, that was Ivy Creek Greenway episode 4, also known as Suwanee Creek. We want to thank Mike and Brittany Miller for coming out with us. It's always a pleasure to hang out with them every time we hang out with them, and they give us so much knowledge, with photography, editing, and different things like that. Mike is very knowledgeable. Check out his YouTube channel. Check out both their Instagrams, and check out Mike's new website. I think he said he's going to have some prints coming out soon. And congratulate them on coming back safely from Hawaii. You guys are awesome. And also, please check out our merch. The link for our merch store is in the description. Yeah, that's about it. And if you want to support us, consider donating to our Patreon or donating to our PayPal. So that's it. You guys are awesome.
Hi. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.